Ltd, and it's mango season again here in Barbados. And many of you have been asking me, how do I make mango drink? Well, today I'm going to share with you exactly how we can make mango drink. Now, there are many varieties of mangoes on the island or wherever you are. I'll list the types of mangoes we have over here. But you can make mango drink with any type of mango. It's really easy. So let's go over the ingredients. We have 6 small ripe mangoes. Now, if your mangoes are not fully ripe, but they're almost ripe, you can definitely use them. We have 1 medium-sized piece of ginger and sugar to taste. First step is to cut the mangoes. Now, the mango has a seed in the very middle. We don't want the seed, so we're going to cut the mango at the sides, both sides, and then we're going to scoop out the inside because it's the flesh that we need to make this amazing drink. We'll take a spoon, since it's nice and soft, and scoop out the insides of the mango. I'm going to go ahead and do this for all of the others, then we'll get to the ginger. Be sure to get the bits of mango flesh from around the seed. We're not leaving any bit of mango behind. So you can take your spoon and remove all of the mango flesh from the seeds. Over here. Now that our mangoes are ready, we're going to go ahead and chop the ginger. Then we'll put it into the blender and we're done. Sweeten and then we're done.
Never stop, I'll get it if I want it. Gotta make to myself a promise. I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top.
Yo, no, I ain't the type to give up. If I do something, man, I do it till I get what I want. I turn a business out of nothing into something I love. I got a poker face, but honestly, I'm not one to bluff.
I'll just add a little sugar because remember, your mangoes are already sweet, so we're not going to add too much sugar, just enough to give you the taste that you want. Our mango drink is done. Just look at that beautiful color. Gorgeous. Not too thick because we're not making a smoothie, we're making a drink. So if you want it to be even thinner, you can go ahead and add some more water. I added about 2 cups of water, but if you want it to be a little thinner, you can go ahead and add some more water. Then it's time to strain. This is a very important step to make sure your drink is nice and smooth. Straining removes any excess strings you will get from the types of mangoes that you may use, or any bits of hard sugar or bits of ginger. Smooth and sweet. Right. Now it's time to taste. You can smell the hint of ginger, so the aftertaste is going to be so good. Beautiful golden color. The perfect summer drink. Light, refreshing, and that aftertaste with the hint of ginger just elevates the taste, in my opinion. Now, if you want something as gorgeous and as refreshing as this one, I highly recommend it. Mango drink. Now you need to try it. If you have enjoyed this mango drink recipe, I want you to look over here, see some of my other drink recipes, and once you've watched them all, click the button below, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you're notified every time I post a video. And remember to leave me a comment. I love hearing from you.